This is a video review for Mr. Mubashir Nazar. He is a LinkedIn expert. I found him on Udemy and I highly recommend his course there too, which is Mastering LinkedIn. After taking his course, I realized that I needed help for my work project, and I contacted him via LinkedIn and created a proposal, and he responded to me almost immediately. His response time for everything that we've been working on has been absolutely incredible. No sooner do I send a message to him than he responds, and considering we're in very different time zones, it's an extraordinary measure of the commitment he has to his work. I have to say that he has been a huge guidance for me. He has taught me basically everything. I'm completely new to social media, as embarrassing as that is to admit. And this is a real, true master who can help you with your projects to build your LinkedIn profile, to learn Sales Navigator, to reach high quality contacts, and I really highly recommend him. And if you need a reference, please do feel free to message me. Thank you.